Hi everyone, I'm Ragnar and I'm CEO at 1Office, an Estonian company with offices in 6 different countries in Europe. We are one of the top service providers for e-residency, a unique initiative by the Estonian government which probably many of you have heard about. It enables our remote entrepreneur clients to start and manage their companies completely online. No paperwork, no need to travel anywhere, low administrative costs and simple tax system. These are only few of the advantages that describe Estonia. Same goes for United Kingdom, another market where we help remote workers to start a business. Though there you don't need even have a e-residency, which means you can actually fill the application today and have a functional company by tomorrow. These options are the reasons why we are attending Running Remote. We really want to share our experience and introduce the opportunities that 1Office offers to all remote entrepreneurs. So, see you all there in Bali at 1Office workshop.